Today we got a nice simple install today. If you have not heard of these or seen these mega chip mud flaps, they're almost everybody is putting these on their GR Corollas because this thing flings rocks quite a bit, and to help prevent some rock chips and anything like that around the bumpers and the side skirts and stuff, these should do the trick most of the time. The only reason why I say that is they are a lot smaller than the typical mud flaps. So I mean, you can get like rally armor mud flaps and everything like that, but I'm just looking for something super subtle that'll help keep the rock chips out just a little bit. So I got these, the mega chip. They seem like they're very nice quality. I've already kind of took a peek at them before, and it comes with everything you're gonna need. One of these are the fronts and one of these are the backs. I'm not exactly sure, but they will use the factory clips and the factory hardware, and they even give you some new clips and washers and everything else to make sure these things will stick very good. So one thing I was hesitant about when I saw these, I was like, wow, these things already kind of have like minor like scuffing on them. But when I was reading through, I guess using just some plastic detail or ceramic detail or anything like that will put these back to brand new again. So all you have to do is just kind of scrub them down and it'll go back to black again. So that's what's kind of nice about these, is they are very flexible rubber. So, and it looks like you can kind of bring them back to life and give them a deeper shine. So I'll probably hit these with some ceramic coat right before I put them on, but they do give you some detailed instructions, but I mean, it's very self-explanatory, but they do tell you exactly what bolts to remove and where to prep for the tape. While I have them here, super easy, give them a quick splash of ceramic coat. And you can see the color difference. Just adding a little bit of ceramic coat or detailer to these will freshen them up. Alright, so I'm going to start on the back first. I'm going to give this a good cleaning. I got the clip off in the back. It is actually really hard to get off. I assume this is why they give you new ones, because you'll end up ruining these ones. I mean, mine isn't terrible, but it would always be nice to put a new one in there. I kind of marred up the plastic a little bit, but a flathead screwdriver is definitely the best way to get this out. So now with that, now I'm going to clean underneath here and make sure, because I think it's all because of all the dirt and stuff that gets in between there. I'm going to use the new clip here, and then make sure you grab the correct one that goes for that side. So then that'll snap right into there. And now that still gives us some wiggle room to get these where we need it to. So I'm just going to use the little alcohol pad that they give. Even though I already cleaned this once, it's already pretty bad. I put the clip in, and then I also started the tape so that way I'm ready to go. So now I'm going to use this adhesion primer, wipe. Alright, and that's pretty much the rear one. I'm gonna hop over and do the other rear one. Like I said, this is the one, it pretty much lines up right with this little like notch is here or whatever. Not notch, but like a little bulge on the bumper. And it does not stick out that much. It sticks out just enough to make the wheel inward more, so that way you hopefully won't get any rock chips flinging out the paint. So let's hop over to the other one and do that one. Oh, and something too, looking at these little clips on here, they look like they're 3D printed or whatever, but they say GR on it, which is a nice little small touch. You can see from the back how this looks. It has like maybe like an inch. It's very slim at the top, maybe like less than a half an inch, and then it goes down to probably a little over an inch on the rear one. So they look really good. I wasn't looking for anything like super over the top, and I wasn't looking for anything that wasn't going to be useful. And I read a lot of good reviews on these, so hopefully they'll hold up and last long. They seem like I said, they're very rubberized material, so I think longevity wise, I think they'll last a really long time. It's just how will they hold up color wise, and if they're going to start fading or not. I will definitely keep you guys updated. So, but it does seem like you could just hit them with a little bit of detailing or ceramic spray and mix them fresh and black again. So let's move on to the front ones and get those ones put on. All right, so hopping in on the front ones, we're gonna want to take off the bottom 10mm and the top clip up here. So bottom 10, top clip. So, and I recommend get the tape started. All right, and so I'm gonna give the cleaning with some alcohol. They also come with these spacers. You're gonna want to put that on your screw. I don't want to say spacers, they're more of a washer. All right, and then once you get that kind of snug, we'll pull off the tape. And then once we get that tape stuck on there, we can put our clip back through. I have this one installed, and something I can note is they give you like kind of a little bit of flexibility on how you want to locate this. I kind of push mine in pretty much all the way into the car, and they do space this out for, I'm not even sure what that is, another screw hole or something, but, and then you got your clip up here. So, but they do look really good, and they stick out just enough. So let's hop on the passenger side and finish this up. Got them all on. There's the rear ones and the front one. So definitely really nice fit. One thing I would say, like on the front ones, is it almost would be nicer if there was another screw right here. I don't know if that is for a screw or not, but potentially another screw with a washer to just double secure these to make sure. But the tape is definitely going to do very well as long as you prepped it good. So, but yeah, these things are a little costly. I think like $150 or something like that, but they definitely look good, and they definitely will protect your car and give you a much less chance of getting any rock chips or anything like that. Because one thing is, like, I literally just cleaned this car 3 days ago, and I've only driven it like 2 times, and look at how much dirt accumulates on just the wide body and the side skirts. It is amazing. So these should definitely help that a lot more. Alright, but with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, especially if you want to see more GR content, and I'll see you guys next time.